welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I shall be sharing with you all the books I received as book mail in month of April 2021. You may be wondering what this book mail is. This book mail is nothing but it is an act of sending books to readers in exchange of review. It is generally sent by author or any organization related with books. So I have been receiving this book mail since 2 years. I would initially receive one book or two books in a month, and now it is like minimum of 5 and maximum of 15. So this month I have received these many books. I am very excited to share about all these books. So I guess you may be waiting to know which are all the books I got. Okay, then let's get started. The first book is I Found You by Nandini and Praneet Chandra. It is collection of micro poems. The poems in this book are of multiple themes. Like they are very well written. I can say a reader can connect to it emotionally. Best part of this book is that I got a personalized letter from the author with a note and a personalized card, also a bookmark with the cover of the book. So I was really happy when I received all these card and letter. I felt like very special. Okay, only like few readers get such special edition copy. I guess I was lucky enough to receive this. Moving on to our next book, it is Making It Big by Binod Chaudhary. This book is an autobiography of Mr. Binod Chaudhary, who is known as Nepal's first billionaire. This book talks about the struggles, the dreams and life journey of Binod, and it is really inspiring to read. Though the volume of the book is thick, one can get inspiration from this, and you can get business ideas. I can say it is a very helpful read. Also, this book has got original photographs of Mr. Binod. You will enjoy reading this, as well as you will learn a lot. Next book is The Demons of Jaitraya by Subira Prasad. This book is a retelling of epic Ramayana in 21st century. The main theme of this book is good versus evil. I can say it as an intriguing plot. Like it will be a best pick for a myth fiction reader. You will really enjoy reading this book. If you are a mythology reader, I guess you should definitely buy this book. It is like interesting one. You will not feel to put it down when you start reading this. Moving on to our next book, that is Only the Good Die Young. This book is interesting. It revolves around Anuradha and Dhruv. The story is crafted well. I sensed it has got lot of suspense in it. I can say it as a one-time read, but honestly you will enjoy it. The next book is Sanatana Dharma by Manoj Singh. This book talks about Hinduism. Everything related to Hinduism is briefly written in this book. Author says that Hinduism isn't just a religion, but it is a way of lifestyle. I found this book very helpful. Like it helped me learn about the religion and the culture it has, how it was carried out in our ancient age. It talks about the rituals, custom, yoga, Veda, Puranas, everything. It is given in a very beautiful way. I really loved reading this book. I guess definitely you got to read this book. You will enjoy. More than enjoying, you will learn a lot from. Now I am left with these 3 books. I am yet to read them. This one is My Better Half Forever. This one is by Sanjay Chaubey. This one, We Met for a Reason. I haven't read it. I'll soon be sharing the reviews of these book in my Instagram handle. Please check it out. So that's all for today's video, guys. So these were the books I received in this month, and hope this will help you to find a book and read during this pandemic, like to pass your time. I know it's very difficult to pass your time during this lockdowns and all. It's better you pick a book and read. You'll have a really better and nice experience. I'll be giving the links of the book below in the description. That might help you.